Introducing the newest member of the Pescador family of fishing kayaks, the Pescador Pilot. The Pescador Pilot is an affordable sit-on-top, packed to the gills with fishing features, and complete with the Pilot Drive pedal system. The optimized gear ratio in the Pilot Drive allows for effortless, all-day hands-free cruising, so you can keep your lure in the water longer. The quick key system makes it easy to engage and disengage the drive quickly to zero draft, making launching and docking a breeze, while the custom-designed turbo flaps reduce noise and keep turbulence to a minimum. Forward and reverse motion, paired with easy grip, low-profile rudder steering control, allows for a super tight turn radius, offering all-around maneuverability in those hard-to-reach places. A recess in the hull stores the lightweight drive while not in use, and the center scupper lid allows for easy transportation and storage. In addition to the drive system, the Pescador Pilot has all the fishing features a serious angler could want, including a stadium-style comfort-focused captain's chair with on-the-fly adjustability to fit a range of heights. Bow storage pods with the transducer scupper provide a secure place for gear and electronics. Pre-installed inserts for transducer mounting and precisely placed inlet outlets for direct wiring to the transducer scupper and display make electronic install a breeze. The Pescador Pilot also comes loaded with 2 Yak Attack gear tracks with easy mounting points for all accessories.
Lifetime Products offers a full line of recreation kayaks, perfect for your next outdoor excursion. The innovative sit-on-top kayak design has opened a new era in paddle sports that appeals to the spirit of adventure in all of us. People of all ages and skill levels now enjoy exploring lakes, oceans, and other flat water paddling with Lifetime kayaks. The Lifetime 6-foot wave kayak is specifically designed for kids ages 5 and up or up to 130 pounds. One of the main features of the wave is the extreme safety and stability offered while on board the kayak. The wide platform and unique hull design makes it very difficult to tip over. For added safety, a rear swim-up platform makes it easy for kids to get into the kayak from the water. With safety and stability being our main focus, Lifetime kayaks are perfect for families and kids. Kayaking provides great exercise for your little ones, giving them the perfect reason to get outside and enjoy the fresh open air. The Wave has multiple footrest positions for different sized riders, and the molded ergonomic seating design enhances the balance and motor skills as your child paddles. Lifetime kayaks are specifically made for convenient transportation and storage. With the front T-carry handle and 18-pound lightweight designs, kids can easily carry the Wave to and from the waterfront. It easily fits on roof racks, truck beds, or in the back of a van or SUV. Our kayaks conveniently stack together, allowing multiple kayaks to be strapped on top of a vehicle or easily stored in a closet or compartment without taking up much room.
The Perception High Life is your one-stop shop for fun on the water. The High Life is an 11-foot kayak with smooth tracking and enough stability to paddle as a stand-up paddleboard. The super low profile is reminiscent of a SUP, but still provides a steady platform for kayaking. Perfect for a day trip, this sit-on-top kayak features a fold-down seating system with a cooler storage area under the seat, a rear tank well for additional storage, and a center cup holder for easy access. Swim decks make exit and re-entry for kids and pets a breeze, and the traction pads on the bow, midship, and stern help you keep your footing while paddling. 2 gear tracks double as carry handles and mounting points for endless accessory options, and the easy-to-install toolless fin provides smooth, straight tracking. The High Life is available in 2 colors, blue and lime.
The Pescador Pro is a reel fishing kayak for reel enthusiasts, chock full of the features and performance attributes discerning anglers have come to expect. The versatile hull is fully capable on lakes, rivers, and inland coastal waterways, with broad sidewalls and a straight tracking keel working together to create the perfect balance of maneuverability and stability. The Pescador Pro features a new removable stadium-style seat with 2 seating positions, upright and reclined, providing move-on-the-fly height options for paddling and casting. Storage and rigging opportunities are abundant, with a stylish bow tank well with mesh cover, rear tank well, 5-inch stern deck plate, molded-in rod holders, recessed tackle box storage, accessory track system, and even a center console with transducer scupper for rigging fish finder electronics. Comfort and convenience are also plentiful, with comfort carry handles, keeper's foot brace system, skid plate, paddle park, and a cup holder. The Pescador Pro is offered in 2 sizes, a 10-foot model and a 12-foot model, and are both available in a variety of stylish colors, with colored bungee and gear track options also available to add an extra pop of color for both style and safety.